Hi, today we're building an agent that can automatically reply to our Gmail business account. Go to Sim.AI, create a workflow, add a schedule block. Let's set the time to start the query of our Gmail every 5 minutes. Hit Save Changes. As you can see, it is enabled. Add a Gmail block. Let's rename it Gmail Search. Let's connect to a Google account. I have already connected with my Google account. I want to disconnect in order to show you the process. Go to Settings, Integrations. Let's disconnect and connect again. Choose your account, add your password. And this is the important part. You have to give permissions for read, compose, and send emails from your Gmail account. Hit Done and continue. It's so simple. Now we should see our account in the list. In the search query field, we will add a label that says, "Look only in inbox and not in drafts or spam." That is why we put that minus sign before drafts or spam. And also return only unread mails. For max results, we want to grab only the last unread email. Put one inside. Let's add a new Gmail block. This will be the read block. Let's rename it Gmail Read and choose the operation read. For max results, we do the same as for Gmail Search. We use both blocks because the Gmail Search block finds the email ID based on a query. The Gmail Read block uses that ID to fetch the full email content. Without search, you don't know which ID to read. Without read, you only get a preview, not the full message. Let's add a knowledge block. For operation, we keep search because we want to look inside our docs. We have to create a knowledge base. At the bottom, on the left, hit the knowledge icon. Hit Create. Give it a name. Let's say FAQ Mail Agent 15. Leave chunking as default and add your file. Hit Create Knowledge Base. Let's see what we are uploading. We have 15 FAQ questions, for example. What are the shipping costs? Or how long does the delivery take? And so on. Let's select our knowledge base, which should show up in the list. For search query, choose Subject and Content. For number of results, type 1. Add an agent block. I just copy-pasted the instructions for the agent. I instructed the agent to use only our knowledge base. And for the user prompt, I just added the subject, which grabs the subject metadata from the Gmail Read block. For the body, I want the agent to use the content from the Gmail Read block. And of course, our knowledge, which has all the questions and answers regarding our business. The model GPT-4o is okay for me. Let's add a Gmail block that will give replies to these emails. Let's rename it Gmail Send. Add an account. And for the To field, watch out. This is the tricky part. I spent many hours troubleshooting the correct syntax for this field. We are pointing to the block Gmail Read, metadata, and the parameter from. If you go to Sim documentation to Gmail Send, you cannot see any from parameter. The same thing happens also when you go to Gmail Read. I tried them all, but nothing helped me out. You just need to guess what parameter should be there by looking at logs or console. And in our case, it is from. In the subject field, type re and the subject. And for the body, you just need to get the response from our agent. Type agent1.content, and that's all. Let's test our app. Hit play. And we got an error. That is because our workflow does not have the start block connected to this workflow. Let's connect it and hit play again. The workflow is working. I can see that the agent tried to give some answers. And the email was sent successfully. Let's try to test it using a question in our knowledge base. I need to send an email with the question, how long does the delivery take? Because our agent takes only the last email. Let's run the app manually again. As you can see, in the Gmail search block, we have some metadata like ID, subject, from, and a short snippet or preview. In the Gmail Read block, we have content, ID, subject, from metadata as well. In the knowledge block, we have some query. And the agent tried to answer based on our knowledge. And it looks okay. And the Gmail Send block has sent the message successfully. Let's see the reply from our app. I am logged into the Gmail account from which I sent the email. How long does the delivery take? And if we open it, we have, "Thank you for reaching us." Delivery takes 3 to 5 business days, which is correct. Let's send another question. How can I track my order? I already got the message. Let's process it with our agent. Let's see the reply from the agent. You can use this number to track your order on courier websites such as UPS, FedEx, or USPS. That is correct. Let's try the last one. Let's send by email. Do you offer gift wrapping? Okay, I already got the message. Let's run it again. And we have... Yes, we offer gift wrapping for $4.99, which is correct. And that's all for today's video. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on building smart agents.